Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to go ahead and quickly talk about our beeswax. So this is 100% natural beeswax from our local farm in Dallas, Texas called Sabine Farms. So it comes from Sabine Farms. We actually get all these little pallets, like little pucks. Some of them actually come like, you can see it comes like a little bear, and then we actually have like a little donut, and then we have a little like a bee, like a little beehive. These are really good for making your own candles. It's one of the best things to actually go ahead and use it for making salves. And this particular one smells so good. You can actually smell the honey, like almost like a warm, like waxy, like slightly honey. And you can smell it in there. Like normally when you buy other beeswax, you cannot tell the actual smell of the beeswax in it. This one seems like a lot more, it's darker, so you can tell it's like must be from winter. The lighter the color is, like more from summer. So we actually have different types of packagings. We actually sell it by the pound, or you can actually get it like in like small pieces like this. It's like very inexpensive. And then you also have like, little bears, if you like bears. Like, I don't know what the honey and the bear do, but some people like that. So we have this. And then we have the beehive, like that's one of my favorites. So yeah, that's what the whole product is all about. Personally, how would I, now when it comes to scents, you can't really use all the scents with the beeswax, especially if it's just honey, 100% natural. You have to stick to like more warmer base notes like sandalwood, a woody scent or a sweet scent. You can also use floral scent because honey and floral scent goes really well. You can also use a little bit of fruity notes. Fruity notes can be a little tricky. You have to go ahead and like keep the notes to like lighter on the top, and then you keep a little bit more floral to the middle, and then you can go like base, like heavy, like woody notes or leather notes, or one of those things. And they make an excellent candle. They make an excellent products for yourself. Nice talking to you, and see you next video.